Hey, good morning. It's Saturday, November 23rd. I'm back out here to do some more trail clearing. Hope you enjoyed the last video. I just put it up. I'm trying to get out there again while the force it's raining. We got power back about 12:30 yesterday afternoon. So that'd be Friday afternoon. So power's out for about 2 days, 18 hours or something like that for us. I just met two mountain bikers who were going to try and do this trail, and they were getting their gear on, and I was like, I don't think it's passable at this point. And so maybe a little bit, but they'd be picking up and stopping all the time and hitting down trees. So they're gonna go try to find someplace else. But anywhere on this east side of the east side of Lake Washington is basically closed for mountain biking at this point. I'd be surprised if they find any trails, but they're going to try to go higher up in the mountains. Maybe if the winds were a little lighter up there. So I'm walking to where I'm going to start. Going to take the side trail from here and meet up with where I finished off last time, right by that tree, or those two trees that are leaning. So hopefully this side trail isn't too bad. It's only a quarter mile long, so we'll see. And a lot of it, if you notice behind me here and in front of me, I'm walking right by some high tension power lines. So they go all the way up there, and I'll just follow these down a little bit and then cut across. It's a slightly used trail. It's not a major trail, but we'll see what's down there. I can see some trees down. Apparently, I'll stop to adjust my grip on this thing. Oops, sorry. Apparently there were 21 sections of high tension power lines that were down in the area, which is a lot. So because of this storm. So that's why they were taking so long to get everything back up. And did a drive around yesterday around the region, and there are places that are just completely destroyed, and massive trees on houses. So anyways, I'm gonna get out here, do some cleanup. I want to get down to the bottom of the what I called the luge run yesterday or last time, and let's clean up that big tree that's down there. And I'll catch you later. Sorry. Okay, I made it to the first blockage of the day. Haven't made it to where I finished yesterday, but this is this other trail to the trailhead here. So it's not horrible. People can pick their way through there, but let's make it easier for them. We've got a fence rail here. I should be able to put the camera up and get a little time lapse. So this only looks to be about 10 minutes here, so won't be too long. Okay, made a path underneath that one over there, and just right around the corner from there is another big one. Obviously needs a chainsaw, so I was able to clear a path over the top of that one. A little safer than going around or going underneath it. And then there's another one just up beyond that, so I'll move up 40 feet and clean again. Okay, I made it back to where I stopped on Thursday, cleaned up one more branch that was bothering me. And now I'm back to the top of the luge run. It took me about, like, I don't know if I just said this, it took me about an hour and a half to get to this point. And now I start down this hill, which top section is pretty steep, and then it's just a long winding hill down there. I don't know if there's any trees down on this one until I get to the very bottom, so I'll probably just rake it clean of all the big stuff here and wherever I find it, and then show you the mess at the bottom. So hopefully I can clear a path through that today. I don't know, there's a lot down there, but we'll just see how it goes. If it's all in small pieces, then I can just push it off the side, no problem. If I have to do a lot of sawing, that's the problem. Sawing is by far the most tiring part of this. So I was looking on Amazon last night for chainsaws, so but that's a lot of stuff to have to carry in, and I might as well just keep doing this until, if it goes weeks without somebody clearing these things off, then I'll come out here or get something come out here. But we'll see. I also don't want to do it alone. Running a chainsaw by yourself is not a great idea. So head on down the trail. Okay, I've been working my way down the hill. You can't even see where I started way up there. And now I'm getting into more deadfalls. There's a lot of little branches and stuff at the top. Now starting to get more into the big one. The bottom is just right through here. And this is the top of that, very top of the tree that fell. Let's see if we can get down here. Oops. Not too far from the bottom, but you can see that the sign area here. This is an old coal mine trail, or a coal mine head here. We used to have the foundations for the whatever it was, the derrick or whatever, but you can see that big tree there fell straight down onto the sign. Smashed it pretty good. Actually, it missed. It just caught the corner on one side, but still smashed it. But the trail runs through here somewhere, and then underneath that big log, and then off to the left and around, and then exits way over there. I'm definitely not got enough energy to clean all of this today. I think it would be a victory if I can make it right down to here, and then we'll see. But that is a lot of branches there. They're all broken up pretty small, so it should be easy to pick them up, but it's just the sheer volume. So I'll keep working my way down from the top here. And I gotta go all the way back up the hill to get out of here. So I don't know if you can hear it, but I-90 is just off to my left here. Just probably 100 yards or less. But I gotta make it through the gauntlet of down branches here. Trim up what I can off these big ones. And just get through this last section as best I can. So see if I can find a spot for the camera. You can watch me finish off for the day. But kind of one of the tricks is to know your limits, and this has been a lot of energy here. So I stopped for food and water a little bit ago, but it's just, I sit at a desk all day. I'm not used to this manual labor stuff. So anyways, I'll set up the camera and I'll catch you in a little bit. wrapping up for the day. I got through this area here, and there's one log and another one, and down just beyond, or right to the edge of where I said I was going to clean. So that's about it for today. Whacked myself pretty good in the eye with one of the branches there at the end, so may or may not have a scar today. We'll see what it looks like on video. But anyways, wrapping it up. Long climb back up this hill all the way to the top, and you know, if anything, it fell overnight. We did have a little bit more wind yesterday, and the wind's picking up a little bit now, but it's not too bad. So hopefully nothing else fell. Let's hike on out and call it a day. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. Normally I do trash pickups and things like that, but sometimes you just got to do other things. I use these trails all the time. It's a great stress reliever this summer for me. After work, I was able to come out and do lots of hikes just to be good to my body. I dropped 10 pounds this summer just by hiking, so or 7 to 10 pounds depending on when I weigh myself. But I feel great. Tired here, but you know, getting out and doing stuff outside is just such a nice change from being at the desk all day. So anyways, have a great day. Please like, subscribe. I'll catch you later. See ya.